right, yeah, okay, I got the record light on. Woo, this sun's, hold on. Just a second here, bear with me. Gotta get some sunglasses on there. Oh, there we go. All right, folks, we are out here, Go Power Sports Ranch. They provided us a practice day to come out here, and they made a few small changes to the track. There's a big turnout. We'll spin you around here in a second to let you know where we're at, what we're going on. We're trying to get you a little footage of just kind of putting around the track, getting a feel of the new little changes they done here and there, and how the course has changed from the last 180. And so we'll post that up, a little putt around, and we'll swing around and maybe go see who all is here. I've seen some faces, kind of waved to some people, but anyway, everybody's camped out for the day, having a good old time, hanging around. They do have the barn open here, which 180 race day, they'll have welder in there and hand tools and all that stuff. And on the other side of the workshop, they'll be having parts for sale in case you forgot something. So you can go over there and see one of the guys. They'll have a booth set up for whatever you might have forgot. And don't do like I did. Mr. Bernie, I ride around with the youngin'. Yeah. Like I was saying, don't do like I forgot. Show up here on practice day and realize you left the helmet at the house. So, yeah. Anyway, I got the booth set up with a few things where you sign in, get your wristband and all that good stuff. So, in case on race day you do happen to forget something, they will have certain items for sale in case you break something at the last minute. So, let's go see who all's here. All right, well, we're talking to brother Travis. What's going on today, man? Where are we at? What are we doing?
Some rough riding.
It's rough out there. You made a few laps?
Yeah, a few laps, and that was about it. Got stuck on the last one, and in fact, when they went and got me, I sat on the trailer and sat on my bike, and I told everybody I was pushing them back.
Nice. What are you riding this year?
The Megamoto 212. It's got the 236 in it. It's got the 10-inch Go Power Sport billet wheels, both rear on the front and back. Got the premium front end. Thanks again, Taylor, Go Power Sports. He hooked me up with the right neck bolt for it, which Go Power Sports will be coming out with that soon, so that you can put that front suspension on the Megamoto 212s.
Gotcha.
It makes a massive difference, man.
Sweet.
I love it.
Man, cool.
But yeah.
Well, y'all make sure and check brother out. Where else can they find you at other than Facebook?
Well, TLC's Mini Bike Group, and I'm on Instagram, and you can look up TLC's Mini Bikes on TikTok. So TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Cool.
That's about it. Oh, I am starting to do YouTube channels.
All right. Yeah, that's right. I was fixing to say, I thought I saw
I'm
something
trying
the
to
other day.
figure it out, guys. So please just bear with me on it, cause
yeah, it's a deal. Luckily, I'm fortunate enough to have the wife that can take care of it, because I don't know how to do none of that. So, but
well,
yeah,
you're doing good right now.
Well, thanks, brother. Yeah, sure. Check brother out, man. Good to see you, man, and enjoy the rest of practice day, and we'll see you on race day.
I'm gonna go home and build.
Right, right.
She got everything on her.
That is sexy. All right, we'll go over here and holler at Mr. Nick, see what's going on. Mr. Nick, what's crappening?
What's up, man?
How's practice day going for y'all?
Didn't go, man.
Didn't go. Coming in hot. Y'all had a few breakdowns or whatnot?
Yeah, we lost our coil on top of the big hill. Had to get towed back and swap it out for another one.
Wow, what's the likelihood of a coil going out?
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Well, why they call it practice day. I guess figure out what's going to break and what's not.
Rather go out now than on race day, that's for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
So what all y'all got y'all racing on race day?
Race day we'll be racing our RSV, and Chuck actually has it out on the course right now.
Gotcha.
We got it back up going and he's running it.
Gotcha.
It's got a Racer Pro Quick 236 on it.
Nice.
So.
Y'all in a team or just individual?
We're individual.
Okay.
Chuck's going to be racing with Seth. This is Seth right here. He's going to run with him this year.
Good deal. You got partners. It helps with a little bit of break. So, well, Nick, it was great to see you, and tell the folks where they can check it. Obviously on YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube, Nick's Mini Bikes. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Nick's Mini Bikes in both spots. Check it out.
Yes, sir. Check them out.
Yep.
All right. Y'all have a good rest of the day, brother.
Thank you.
All right. right, everybody's going out for some more, practice runs. So, yeah. Nick, real cool guy. Make sure to check out his channel. If you do, tell him, hey, Rick sent me over to check out the channel. I think he's got merchandise and all that good stuff. You know, hoodies, shirts, stickers, and all that. So, like I said, tell him Rick sent you. So I got hydrated. And we'll go out and just make another lap or two. Trying not to wear myself out. My 3.5-hour drive home. There's a drone in there. So, get us another drink of water. And get suited up. We'll make another lap or two around and see how that goes. It's gonna be rough, y'all. It's really rough. There's rocks everywhere. They're like multiplying like weeds out here. Okay. It's a little practice time in. We'll just go ride, put around, check it out. It's hot. Let's go.